Do you want to create amazing social media campaigns but don't have the time or resources to do it yourself? Hello guys, it's me Priyasha from PitchGround. Most social media campaigns are created quickly and need a strategic plan. As a result, they don't get the results you want. Not only is it tough to come up with new content ideas, but posting regularly is essential for staying top of mind with your followers. So PitchGround has brought to you Bluestrawberry, a social media marketing platform that uses AI-powered technology to help you create and schedule social media campaigns from your own content. With Bluestrawberry, you can write, schedule, and deliver your social posts across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter with multi-language support. You can create a single post, edit videos and images, and schedule it in advance for up to 18 months. It also comes with a redistribution features too. Customize your post as per your brand and easily generate unique video campaigns using the video generator from the content across your post or page. So start creating your own smart social media campaigns using Bluestrawberry because it is now available on a lifetime deal at PitchGround.com for a limited period. So grab your license and get started. That's it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next one.